Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we are going to see what is average and count and distinct count functions in DAX. So we will see how these functions are created inside Power BI and how to use it in a report. So for that we have a scenario. So let's assume we are using an electronic store dataset. So the store manager is asking us to find the average number of units which are sold for each order and how many unique customers has bought the product from their store. So we will see how these DAX functions are created and used inside Power BI for these business scenarios. So I'm inside Power BI now. So this is our electronic store data set, and we have the details of each orders. So to find the average numbers of units which has been sold across each order, we are going to use this unit sold column. So I will write a DAX to find the average numbers of units sold. So let me give a title like average units sold. So to calculate the average, I'm going to use my average function. So if you see the syntax, it requires the column name so that it gives the average numbers for that column. So I'm going to use my unit sold column here, and let me bring this in inside canvas. So now you can see that it gives me the average numbers of units sold for the orders. So I can also bring this in a visual, and let me sort this by each category. So now I can use this measure for each category, and it shows the average numbers of orders for each category. So this is how we can use our average function inside Power BI. So I will keep this below. So next we want to calculate the unique numbers of customers who has purchased from the store. So to find the unique numbers of customers, I can use my customer ID column, and I will write a DAX for that. Let me write as unique customers. So to find the unique count of customers, I'm going to use my distinct count. So here also it takes the column name, and it gives the unique numbers of records or count for that column. So I'm going to use my customer ID column. So it takes the customer ID column and gives the unique count of customer IDs. So I'll hit enter, and I will bring this in the report page. So now you can see that this DAX function, which gives me the unique count of customers who has purchased from the store. So this is how average and distinct count DAX functions are used inside Power BI. And whereas if you use simply count function, let me show that. So if I just use count function, and I'm using my customer ID column. So if I use this DAX function, let us see how what value it gives. So now you can see the difference between count and the distinct count function very clearly. So the count function just give me the total count which are present in that column, whereas the distinct count function, which gives me the unique numbers of records which are present in that column. So this is how these three functions are used inside Power BI, and I hope you have a clarity on these functions. So thanks for watching this video.